Today, there are many ways to store and back up data, such as using USB drive, eternal hard drives, cloud storage. Long-term cloud storage is the most popular choice for many people. It's also used to save files online, share, share them easily, and save data automatically. After different device, cloud storage has many advantages. It is simple to use, safe for hardware damage, and have safe space on the computer. Many platforms also offer a free plan for new use. However, it has some uh, disadvantages like needing an internet connection have been limited, free, safe, and possible. Virus risk in construction cloud store storage is a convenient and model solution that is very useful for studying, working, and everyday life.